All right, chat. Yo, show the drone shot. Show the drone shot, man. Can you like put it like how you did in the beginning?
Show the drone shot.
Show the drone shot of the pyramids, y'all. I just want to show y'all that I'm actually at the pyramids and I'm actually at the stream inside the pyramids. So show the drone shot. Switch to the drone shot. Wow, chat, we really here, bro. We are really here. Really inside the pyramids, bro. He should go like, he should get like a bird's eye view.
Bird's eye.
Like a bird's eye view. Holy guacamole, bro. This is honestly crazy.
So I think we're going to have an adventure together to explore the pyramid from inside.
Let's go, chat.
Let's do it.
The first streamer to stream inside the pyramids. Let's go. Follow me, chat.
Go slow because it's cable.
Huh?
Go slow and make sure you don't get too far ahead of me because I'm cable.
Okay. Oh my gosh, how we're in it. Chat, it smells like the pyramids in here. Is that a tomb?
This is the burial chamber of the king of Khufu. And this is a sarcophagus. It's about 40 tons cut from one single piece. 40 tons.
40 tons.
Yes. This is a sarcophagus and it was made from granite.